Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Today I am going to explain the second topic, nerves, of unit number 1, the brain and nerves of class 5. You have to open page 4 for this. In previous lesson we have discussed about brain. Now I am going to explain about nerves, that what is nerve or what are nerves. So we have to understand. So let's begin. Nerves. Nerves link every part of the body to the brain. We have discussed that through spinal cord, brain links with our body. But how? With the help of the nerves. Nerves link every part of the body to the brain. Right? It works like telephone wires. Now look at here. In this picture, you can easily see that how the brain is connected with the spinal cord and how the nerves work inside your body and how it is linked with spinal cord, and through this it is connected with our brain. And you can also see this, it works like a telephone wire. Just look at the nerves, it works like a telephone wire. The nerve cells have to be supplied with blood and oxygen in order to keep working efficiently. Always remember that the nerve cells, we have discussed about nerve cells as well, that the nerve cells which make up a brain are known as neurons. So similarly, there are many other nerve cells. So the nerve cells have to be supplied with blood and oxygen. Why? Because it has to keep working efficiently. What is meant by efficiently? Properly, perfectly, effectively. Nerves are made up of nerve cells and are of two kinds. There are two kinds of nerve cells. One is sensory nerve and the other one is motor nerve. Now we have to move with sensory nerve and motor nerve. Sensory nerves. Sensory nerves carry signals from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. You have to underline, you can underline this line in your book. Sensory nerves carry signals from the sense organ to the brain or the spinal cord. So, what is sensory nerve? Basically, sensory nerves, you can say it carries signals from your sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 senses, so we have 5 different sense organs. So, sensory nerves basically carry signals from the sense organ to the brain or the spinal cord. These in turn tell the sense organs what they have seen, heard, smelled, tasted or felt. These in turn, through brain or through spinal cord, it tells the sense organs what they have seen, heard, smelled, tasted or felt. And you can easily differentiate about what taste a candy has, or which kind of taste salt has, saltish and sweetish. There are 2 different tastes. So after this you can able to understand that what they a people or a person can understand what they have seen, heard, smelled, tasted or felt. Now second one is motor nerves. Motor nerves send signals from the brain. Remember this, sensory nerves carry signals from the sense organ to the brain, while motor nerves send signals from the brain or spinal cord to the muscles and glands. These signals make muscles move. It is linked with our muscles and glands, right? So in a single day, you know that we can simply move our hands or legs so many times. So through the help of motor nerves, we can able to simply make our muscles move. Now the next topic, which is on page 5, is reflex action. Actions where you do not stop to think are known as reflex actions. Again, I am repeating, actions where you do not stop to think are known as reflex action, and these are controlled by the spinal cord. Always remember, reflex action, you can simply say that reflex action is an automatic and rapid response. or you can say it's an involuntary action, right? Involuntary, which is beyond our control, which is not in our control. So actions where you do not stop to think are known as reflex action. And definitely the third lowest part of the brain is medulla, and involuntary actions are controlled by medulla, and medulla is linked with spinal cord. So basically these reflex actions are controlled by the spinal cord. Now taking example, when you step on a pin, any kind of pin, thumb pin, any kind of pin, right? So your foot automatically pulls away. Your foot automatically pulls away. What is the reason behind? The nerve endings in the sole of your foot feel the pain. You can feel the pain, right? If something itching you or hurting you, you can feel the pain. The message reaches the spinal cord, then it instructs the muscles of the foot through motor nerves to move away. Through which nerves? Motor nerve. As we have said that motor nerves carry signals from the brain or the from the brain or spinal cord to the glands or muscles, so they are able to move. So the message reaches the spinal cord, then it instructs the muscles of the foot through motor nerves to move away. So here I'm going to end my topic. I hope it is clear to all of you. I'm going to give you a homework which is related to these two topics, brain and nerves. You can easily able to complete this, right? On page 4, there's a concept check. Use the correct word to complete these sentences. The nerves that transmit signals from the brain to the muscles and glands are called dash nerves. Which nerves? Motor nerves. Number 2, the nerves that transmit signals from the sense organ to the brain are called sensory nerves. You have to do this concept check on your book, page 4.